Hey guys, I would just share if I was like recording, but then my dad called, so then it automatically stopped. So yeah, and I'm kind of annoyed with that because like I was trying to fix the camera, so like you can see what I'm doing here. My brother's watching anime, but don't mind my brother, don't mind him. Okay, yeah, someone's screaming, but yep. I'm a mobile player, and let's go see if this dude is camping. And that is a murderer, not Kayla. What is she doing? Did she like kill the cat? Nah. Here is the exploiter. Dun da da dang. People, I thought he was a coin bot at first, but like, cause like his legs were underneath. But yeah. If I get Sheriff of Gary, you're gonna hear me squealing and screaming. And I'm also going to Sri Lanka, and I'm also gonna be like posting like a lot of little short videos for you guys with my cousins. And I want you guys to experience this experience with me. The last time I went to Sri Lanka to see my my grandma and grandpa, were 6 years ago. 6 years ago. And that is a very long time if you guys think about it. I'm going to be going today, 9:30 p.m. Right now, it's currently 10:05. So I want you guys to experience that experience with me. I am currently murderer, and I'm going to stand by this coin bot. This hacker, because I want him to be dead. Dead. I didn't kill him. He was a sheriff. You're dying, sweetheart. And she just accepted fate. So, I am now currently murderer. I want to win. I don't want to get shot. And, oh, shoot. He was hippopotamus. Hippopotamus is I killed the sheriff, but the hacker had blue footprints, so running through the castles and you chase me. Okay. Did you just walk into? Okay. Good job. Okay, no. We don't want no spammers. I'm so slow. Freaking stupid. This is so stupid. Yo, there's a spam jumper. Yo, get off. And someone shot the wrong person. We love to see that, you know. I'm trying to target this girl because like this girl is actually so annoying. No. I just left. Don't worry, I'm gonna be rejoining, but I want to join a server where pizza. Am I that laggy that none of them have pictures? And I'm back. So I was sheriff and murderer, and I got clipped by the sheriff because like these people are actually insane. Oh my god, something's on my iPad. So crusty, musty, dusty, rusty. You guys should have heard if I was recording at the time because my old friend's mom called my mom. So at the exact moment, it it stopped recording. So. The murder. You guys should have heard me screaming when I was sheriff. I was screaming like a whale. Not a whale, but like I was screaming like a mouse. This was the face I made. That was when I saw the murderer. That was the face I made. Sadly, you guys couldn't see it, and you guys can't see it right now. Okay, where am I? Oh, can you guys see? Oh my god, I don't know where I'm going, but I'm just grind and let the candy explode into my belly. I'm lagging. You guys, my screen was frozen. Well, we don't talk about that little missy. Was it her? Oh. Juke. 1v1 here. 1v1. Let's see this, bro. I shouldn't have went into the thing. And now they want to wall camp. So boring these days. That girl needs some help. She was murdered like the last round, but I don't mind my hair. I'm actually really excited to go to Sri Lanka right now. I'm gonna do a Q&A. So, I live in Canada, and my homeland is actually Sri Lanka. No, my homeland is Canada, but Sri Lanka is my parents, is my mother nature. Like, this is so funny. Okay, let me just read everything. Hey, trading ice cream, that's me again. So, can I have something that is not valuable? Hello, kill me already. No one has a gun. He is in the, cause like she killed everyone, but there was this hacker that was like exploiting and stuff. That hacker left the server and she thought the hacker was still there. So she said, hello, kill me already, Mr. Hacker Man. I said, he is in the office, AFK. He said, and then she said, Mr. Hacker Man. And then I screamed it out. He's AFK in the meeting place. Because we were in the mansion 2. Let me do some air sound. Oh my god, I love like the foot little sounds. I'll be editing this video right after I'm Oh my god. My heart just jumped. So, if you guys want to join me again, I'm going to say this again. My username is Varnica749. I'm level 90, and this is my avatar. I play with the Ice Wing. I'm an Ice Wing user, but I'm trying to get rid of that, as you can see from all the chats. And I'm going to scream it again. Trading Ice Wing people. Ice Wing people, anyone wanna offer? I'm trying to get this. I'm hearing something up there. That's where the chandelier is of our house. The main part of our house is our chandelier. I don't know if you can see it, but shoot. It's making like a buzzing sound, but Gun. Who is it? Yo, what? Yo, mama, bro. There's this kid in our class. He's like, Joe, mama. In Tamil class, I go to Tamil class. If you don't know, I'll just say something in Tamil. என்னை வரைக்கும் வணக்கம். என்னோட பேர் வெரோனிகா. என்ன இப்போ செய்கிறீங்க? நான் இப்போ mm2 நான் விளையாட போகிறேன். நீங்கள் என்ன செய்கிறீங்க? நான் அதை பார்க்குறேன். The murderer was my friend. And I don't know if this is a hacker or not, but my dad just walked in and saw what I was doing. My dad just walked in to see what I was doing. Of course, I wouldn't hide anything from him. What am I? My thoughts when I'm innocent. Am I gonna die? I think I am. I think I'm gonna walk right into the murderer. I swear if I do it, I'm actually gonna be so mad. Everyone's AFK. I shouldn't have been murdered on this map. But they don't really like this map. Everyone's AFK. Oh, not everyone, but the gun. We're gonna be a hero. I hate myself. I might rage quit after like one round, so bear with me, people, cause I don't know. Oh my god, the lighting here is like so bright. I just spoke Tamil. I'm drinking peach juice. You should go get these. The Allen's one, the peach juice, is the best. It looks like apples, but it's peach. You can see that little fuzzy part. But those like little like water, those like fuzzy looking stuff are like water droplets. Okay, let's spectate. It would have been so much. They're teaming. She just ignored that girl. This girl, that girl and this girl are both teaming. The murderer just ignored that girl. And now she's trying to shoot someone. Yo, this is so loud. Ferrari, look at this. Girl, your aim. You gotta fix it. Where are you shooting at? See? They're ignoring each other. She's just shooting randomly. Little do they know. I think they're gonna 1v1 soon. Little do they know. My friend is coming to go chainsaw them up. Yo. Campa, little camper. Come on, Rolling Blast. You can do it. You can do it. Teamers and campers. I think her friend, the murderer, actually killed her because they probably thought, look at that. They probably thought they were the last people, so unlucky them. Oh yeah, you see that picture? See that picture right there? Oh yeah, this is what it got from the temple. It's a Tamil thing. That is little me. Little me right there. Little me. Oh. Timer ran out, didn't it? Yep, it did. Well, GG, y'all. GG. Wait. Hey, yo. Bacon Man, get off me. Bacon Man, get off. Ew. I have nothing against bacon people, but like, I just don't like when they crawl on me because it kind of looks weird. Factory, bro. What would you say? Mansion or factory or a research facility? I'm telling my friend to come over here. Yes, girl. Excuse me, Ma. If it's Reese Bioblade, then yeah, her knife would have matched. And I am innocent like crazy. Ooh, head loss. Mamma mia, I love your out. Is that Lily? It looks like Lily, one of Lily's avatar. I swear. I don't swear, but like, I don't swear on God, but like, I didn't swear on God, but like, you know what I mean, right? It would have been so cool if the sheriff had this little thing to like aim at them, like perhaps that girl, this bacon man. I juked him without jumping. I'm gonna juke him again. I juked him, but then I died. But that's all right, Queen. I think I recorded for 30 minutes, I think. Yeah, but I'm gonna be ending this video right now. So hope you guys like this video. Bye! And see you guys later in Sri Lanka. Or maybe another video on mm2 today. Or another game. I'll see if I can make time. Well, victory. Now it's time for me to say bye-bye to y'all. Bye! I'm hoping to make another video like this for you guys again. Now I'm gonna go edit this video and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fellows!